back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead, and this one is very high paying for being a non-phone customer support position. Yes, it is email, chat, all the things, but it is non-phone. But real quickly, before we dive into all of the details, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss an upload, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, the links to everything I share are in the description box below if you want to put those applications in. Today's job lead is from the company TreeCard. So TreeCard is a newer startup company, and they are hiring within the United States only. This is remote work from home, and they are looking for a customer support representative. The customer support representative will be the face of TreeCard to the members who have questions, problems, feedbacks, and of course, compliments for the company. You'll actively respond to inbound support requests to solve customer problems through email, online chat, and some of their social media DM channels. So this is all non-phone through written word. You'll make sure CRMs are up to date. You'll efficiently and thoroughly escalate any issues that are cross-functionally to ensure high-quality support, and you'll collaborate with other team members to test out new ideas. They are specifically looking for someone who is a problem solver and willing to roll up your sleeves and jump into any situation and improve it and find a resolution. Someone who has excellent written communication skills and you can make people feel heard. They need someone who can work in a fast-paced environment, who can multitask, and has great prioritization skills. They do not require any kind of degree, no college degree. They do want someone who is a self-starter and has a growth mindset. But if that is you, they pay very well and have good benefits due to being a startup. So they offer a competitive hourly rate anywhere from $20 all the way up to $30 an hour. And it does say overtime rates available, so it looks like occasionally you will qualify for overtime if you want that. They 100% cover your premiums for your medical insurance. They offer a 401k plan, paid time off, and of course they offer remote workstation setup, so it looks like they provide the equipment for you, and they also offer a $1,000 yearly bonus so you can access wellness and development. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.